Hey guys, welcome to our channel Knowledge Live. Today in this video, we are going to design this beautiful copy mug. You can see in your screen, this is the model that we are going to design. Here we are going to use mainly the Revolve command, sweep command, fillet and few direct editing command also. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for OK. You can see here the by default unit is millimeter gram second. Let it be. We'll use the unit millimeter only. So let's select here font plane. Click on the sketch. I'll just start like this. I'll start a line from here like this, and come down. Make it like this. We'll go for dimension here. I'll be giving the dimension here, this height I'll be giving 350 and here I'll be giving this dimension 220 and I'll give here this dimension 230. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined, but I'll do here something different. Click on this and make this line into construction geometry, and I'll just go with the option here. I'll come down and just make a shape which is like this and just join it over here. I'll be giving this dimension 30. Let it be 35 and here I'll be giving this angle which is 45 and okay, first I will convert this into continuous line and I'll go for the fillet tools and I'll be giving here one fillet within these two lines and I'll increase the fillet radius which is 30. Again I'll click on the fillet and I'll give here fillet radius like 5 and I'll select this and I can increase little more. Let's make it 8 and just go with the OK. Now you can see I'll extend this little bit. I'll just go with the extend command. I want to extend this up to there. Just go with the OK. Now I will do here one thing. Come out from the command and I will convert this line into construction geometry and I will go for the arc command and I'll choose here 3-point arc. This is the first point, this is the second point, and I'll make the shape quite like this. Now you can see I'll give here the relation this and this. I'll be giving the relation tangent. Okay, it's getting over defines. Go with this and I will delete this line here and just give one radius for this arc. Let me give this 700 and here I'll give some dimension randomly to make these things fully defined. So I'll give here one dimension from here to here. I'll give one vertical distance. Let's keep it like this only, 332, and I'll give here height from here to this base. It's already given 35, so I'll give here one distance from here to here. Now you can see here it's getting fully defined. So just here I made it fully defined. So come out from the sketch and I'll go for the revolve here. So go to the features. You can see you have the tool here, revolve, and from the drop down menu select the sketch and I will choose here selection contour this and I'll be choosing here the axis of revolution this. Now just go with this OK. You can see here I'm not choosing the bottom part. because I will go for the multi-body concept and I will use this later as separate sketch. I will do revolve separately. Just go with this. Okay. Now if you want to reuse the sketch, you can make it visible. Just let it be like this. Now make it normal to this. Okay, we will keep it hide right now. Why? When we need it, we will make it visible. So here I will do one thing. I will choose here once again the front plane and I'll go for the sketch. I'll start with the spline and I'll make a sketch which is like this. So now you can see how my sketch is getting ready here. I'm not going to make it fully defined here, just I will convert this edge into sketch and I will trim the excess portions and exit from the sketcher and go for the extruded cut. I will choose here through all both and click on the OK. Now you can see here I have given here one cut and now I'll be selecting the top face. I'll go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. Now here I will draw one line like this. I'll take here center lines. I'll make from here to here, which is like this. Okay, no problem. I'll convert this later into construction geometry. So I'll just do here this edge and this. I'll be giving the relation tangent, and this line I want to convert into continuous lines, and I'll be giving here one dimension. Let me give it 320. Now I will go for the mirror command. Click on the mirror. I want to do mirror of this line and I want to create mirror about this. Go with the OK. And here I will do one convert entities and click on the trim tool. I will trim this portion. Now you can see here it's getting close sketch. Again I will go for the fillet and click on this corner and I'll be giving the fillet radius here. We can give it 90. Just go with the OK. Actually I want to perform here one sweep operation. For that I will use this as my profile. So come out from the sketch. Now I will choose here right plane and I'll go for sketch, make it normal to the plane, and again I will go for spline. I will start which is something like this. I'll make it little like this. Here I'll adjust it little bit. This is fine. Now I need to give one relation here. Select this endpoint and this sketch, give the relation here pairs. Then go for OK. Here also I'm not making it fully defined. So come out from this sketch. You can give a random dimension and you can make it fully defined. Now I'll go for the features here, sweep. You can see here the path is already selected. Now I need to click on the profile. This is my profile. Just go for the OK. Now you can see here this portion is visible here. Okay, we can do one thing. I just little adjust here. I just change the order. Now I will go for the command here that is called shell. So click on the shell and click on this face. You can see in the shell thickness I'll increase it. I'll increase into 20 and just go with the OK. Now you can see my model is quite like this. Now I need to go for one more operations here. I'll make the handle. So for that select the front plane and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. Now I will choose here this line and I'll start from here like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. Come out from the sketch, So this is my profile. I'll go for the sweep. You can see in the sweep itself we have one more options. If I go with the circular profile, we don't need to create. So I'll just go with this and I'll increase the diameter here. Now you can see I have given here 40. So here you can see we can do an operation for this portion. Click on the sketch on this, go for convert entities and go to the extrude, and I will be choosing here up to next, and we can make it like this also. Uncheck this merge options, or we can merge it, doesn't matter, just go with this. Now you can see here our model is quite looking like this. If you remember, I made a sketch for the bottom portion separately, but I didn't use that, so I'll go back to there and I'll make that sketch visible, and I'll go for the revolve. In this revolve I will choose the same sketch from the drop down menu, and here I will choose this as selection contour as close sketch, and this is my axis of revolutions. Now just go with the OK. Now you can hide your sketch, and now we need to apply some fillet over here. Just I'll go with this and I'll apply here fillet. I'll just select this edge first. In this I'll be giving the fillet. Okay, I'll let it be 10 only. And I'll be giving here also some little fillet. Just go with the OK. Here if you see the cross sections, I will go for this here. I'll show you the cross section. You can see this portion is also flat and the bottom portion is also flat. So I need to do some work over here. So I'll just do some operation for that. First of all, I'll give here one fillet and I'll give the fillet radius this face. I'll be just giving here fillet, and let me give it 30. Now you can see here the bottom portion is looking like this. Apart from this, I will perform one more operations over there. So there is having something called dome, where we will get that features. For that you need to go to the insert, go to the features. Under features you are having here operation called dome. So I will select this face. Now you can see it's taking the shape upward, but we need to make the curve shape which is inward. So I will just reverse this and I'll be giving the value like 15 and just go with the OK. In the same way I'll do in the bottom portions also. So again we need to go to the insert, features and dome. Click on this bottom face, and here I will increase it little bit and make it reverse. Just go with the OK. Now you can see, if you see the cross section you will understand what is the difference. Now you can see which is looking like practical. Just come out from this. Now you can see here we have so many sharp edges. So for that I will just go for the fillet. Click on the fillet. And I'll be giving the fillet radius which is 10. Now I will just change the background here, make it plain white, and I'll just make it like this. Now you can see here your model is getting ready. Just you need to apply the appearance, which I have already explained how to apply the appearance. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.